Hello, it's Jay here again, and welcome to another video. So, I've come back to the Fight GUI, and I really just needed a break from the special moves. I thought that you all might want a break from that also, so I'm going to do a few other things, and then we'll continue on with some of the main functions. So, as you can see, I've got the Fight Manager and Fight GUI script open. We're going to begin in the Fight GUI, and I'm just going to make some changes. So here in the void, start, health bar size, screen width divided by 2.25. I'm just going to change that to 2.5, so just a small tweak there. We'll keep the height at 15. Let's come to the on GUI settings. So, Fight GUI skin, font size equals screen width divided by 12. Let's change that to 15. And middle center, I'm actually going to change that to upper center. And for some reason IntelliSense has decided it's not going to work again, but never mind, we'll continue on. So that's all the changes I'm making to the Fight GUI. Now we're going to come to the Fight Manager. So let's have a look at the variables. Fight timer 99, under that I'm going to put, and this can be private, int timescale, and we're going to have a timescale of 1. So this is for when we count down the fight timer. We're just going to specify a timescale of 1, so 1 second to 1 second basically, making sure that the fight timer counts down properly regardless of frame rate of your game. So let's put that into the comment. So defines the time scale in seconds, and we'll need a bool. I'll put that down here. This can be of type private as well. Underscore, in fact we can probably copy some code here. Let's come to the play one movement. And this one, returned fight intro finished. Let's paste that in, and we'll come back to the player one movement script. Let's find references. So here we go in the void update. Returned fight intro finished equals fight intro script, fight intro finished, and if does not equal true, then do nothing and return. Let's copy all of that, and we're going to put that right at the beginning of the void update. So let's have a look. We probably should put returned fight intro finished. This is in the void start equals false and close the line off. Again, we'll set that equals false on start up. I'll just copy the naming convention in. So let's have a look. Actually, at the beginning of the void start, let's have the... In fact, again, we can probably copy this script. So let's come to script, startup. Any of these will do. Let's have a look at controller manager. Don't destroy, unload this. Let's copy that. We'll come back to the fight manager and we'll paste that in. So now let's have a look here. Current. In fact, we'll change fight timer to a float. We'll need to have the F here. Current fight timer equals fight timer. We'll come in front of fight timer. We'll open and close, and we'll cast that to an int. So let's now have a look at what else we need to do. So the void update, I'll just break that up, the comment. So the first part up to equals. We'll also need to go underscore fight timer minus equals underscore, and we want the time scale times time dot and it should be delta time. So that should be correct. So I'll just put we minus the timescale from the fight timer. Again, I'll just copy that in. And we need to prevent a negative number. So fight timer is less than or equal to 0. Again, we'll just put this into the comments. Fight timer is less than, you can also put or equal to 0. We'll make the fight timer equal to 0. Let's close that line off into the comments. Equal to 0. And now we need to set the current fight timer. It's going to equal the fight timer. Let's close that off. Open and close brackets in front of fight timer. Inside we'll put int, and that will cast it to an int. Again, because we only want to display whole numbers. And we'll just pop that into the comments to the fight timer value. And let's save all. I'm just going to check the console with IntelliSense being slightly awkward then. So let's start up. In fact, we actually shouldn't start that up yet. Let's come to prefabs. And we want to create, there we go, prefab. And we'll put the naming convention as File Manager. Let's assign that script, the File Manager script. And then at our splash screen we can copy that in. So let's hit play. And we'll see what happens. So we'll just go through as normal. So as you can see, the time is at 99, 98, 97, 96. We're counting down. We're only showing the whole numbers, which is what we want. The time scale's correct. So that's the timer now working. Obviously we have a lot more code for these scripts, but I think we'll leave it here for now. As always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.